Hello everyone, this is our maths class. In 10th maths chapter 1 relation and function, today we are going to learn remaining sums of exercise 1.4. See the question number 7. In each of the following cases, state whether the function is bisective or not. Justify your answer. First subdivision. F from R to R defined by f of x equal to 2x plus 1. See, in this question, function from real number to real number, and it is defined as f of x equal to 2x plus 1. We have to find out whether the given function is bisective or not. Do you know what is bisective? Yes, both 1, 1 and onto function are called bisective. So first of all, we check whether this function is 1, 1 or not. See here, the given function is 2x plus 1. It is in linear equation. If it is linear equation, it may possible to 1, 1 function. It is one of the clue for finding 1, 1 function. Now come to the solution. First you take down and write the given f such that R to R, that is real number to real number, then given function f of x equal to 2x plus 1. By the definition of 1, 1 function, it is in the form of ax plus b. Therefore, let us assume f of a equal to f of b, which is implies a equal to b, means this is 1, 1 function. By this definition, let us assume f of x equal to f of y. F of x is given function, that is 2x plus 1 is equal to f of y. It means instead of x you apply y, then 2y plus 1. So now this plus 1 take to after the equal means it becomes minus 1, then plus 1 and minus 1 cancel and get 0. Therefore, I cancel 1. Then we get 2x equal to 2y. Now, 2x is in the form of multiplication. Then this 2 alone go to after the equal means it becomes divided by 2. Therefore, x equal to 2y by 2. Now you cancel the 2 means we get x equal to y. So by the definition, f of x plus f of y implies x equal to y. Therefore, this is 1, 1 function. For better understanding, I explained this by using arrow diagram also. So, given that function from real to real, then it is defined as f of x equal to 2x plus 1 using arrow diagram. This is belongs to real number and this also belongs to real number because in the question given real to real. Okay, now I will take some real number minus 1. minus 1, the given function is 2x plus 1. So instead of x you apply minus 1 means 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Then minus 2 plus 1 means we get minus 1. Then next I will take the element 1. Then you apply 1 here means we get 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, which is minus 1 mapping to minus 1, then plus 1 mapping to plus 3. Then next I will take 0. Then you apply 0 means here 2 into 0 0, 0 plus 1 1. Therefore 0 mapping to 1. Then next I will take minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. Then minus 2 mapping to minus 3. So from this arrow diagram what you observe? Yes, every element in domain has a unique image in codomain. Hence it is 1 1 function. Write the reason here. Every x belongs to real number. There exists different element y belongs to R in codomain. Therefore it is 1 1 function. Next we check whether it is onto function. By the definition of onto function is f of x equal to y. So let y equal to 2x plus 1. Y equal to f of x. So which is 2x plus 1. Therefore let y equal to 2x plus 1. So in this we have to find out x term. Then plus 1 comes before equal means it becomes minus 1 equal to 2x. Therefore 2 is in multiplication form. It comes before equal means it becomes divide. That is x equal to y minus 1 by 2. Now we get the x term. By the arrow diagram we check whether it is onto or not. What is the definition of onto function? Every element in codomain has a pre-image, that is the onto function. So here pre-image elements belongs to x and image element belongs to y. Take minus 1 for y. Then instead of y you apply minus 1 means minus 1 divided by 2. We get minus 2 by 2. Then we get minus 1. Then next I will take plus 1. Plus 1 means 1 minus 1 0, 0 by 2 0. Then next I will take 2. Then 2 minus 1 we get 1, that is 1 by 2. Then next I will take minus 2 means minus 2 minus 1 by 2 means we get minus 3 by 2. From this minus 1 as a pre-image minus 1, then 1 has a pre-image 0, then 2 has a pre-image 1 by 2, minus 2 has a pre-image minus 3 by 2. From this arrow diagram we observe every element in codomain has a pre-image in domain, hence it is onto function. So write the reason. Every element y belongs to real number in codomain has a pre-image in domain, therefore it is onto function. Now the given f of x is proved in 1 1 and it is onto function also. Therefore, the given function f of x equal to 2x plus 1 is a bisective function. Now, we move on to the second subdivision. The question is function from real to real defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 4x square. See here, it is not in the form of linear equation. Then, it may not possible to 1 function. Solution: f of x equal to 3 minus 4x square. By using the arrow diagram, I will consider minus 1. Therefore, f of minus 1 equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1 the whole square means we get 3 minus 4, that is equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 images minus 1. Then next I will take plus 1. Then f of 1 equal to 3 minus 4 into 1 the whole square is equal to 3 minus 4, get minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 has a image minus 1, then plus 1 also has the same image minus 1. Next I will take 2 and minus 2. F of 2 equal to 3 minus 4 into 2 squared. Then we get 4 4s are 16, then minus 13. Therefore, the image of 2 is minus 13. Then next I will take minus 2 means you apply here minus 2 into minus 2 also we get plus 4. Then 4 into 4 we get minus 16. Then 3 minus 16 is also minus 13. Therefore, the image of minus 2 also minus 13. So, from this arrow diagram, what you observe? 2 or more elements have a same image. Therefore, it is not a 1 function, because in 1 function, distinct elements have a distinct image, but here the element minus 1 and 1 has the same image minus 1, then the element 2 and minus 2 also have a same image minus 13. Therefore, it is not a 1 function. 2 or more elements x belongs to real number in domain have a same image in codomain, that is y belongs to real number. Therefore, it is not a 1 function. Next, we have to find whether it is a onto function. For this, first you take down and write the given function f of x equal to 3 minus 4x squared. Let us assume y equal to 3 minus 4x squared. From this, we have to find x term. Then we get y minus 3 equal to minus 4x squared. Then x squared is equal to minus 4 comes before equal means it becomes divided by minus 4. Then minus you multiply means we get plus 3 minus y by 4. Therefore, x equal to root of 3 minus y, root of 4 is 2. This is the terms of x. So now we have to check whether it is onto function or not. I will take the element minus 1, pre-image element, that is belongs to y coordinate, minus 1. Then instead of y you apply minus 1 means we get minus into minus plus 1. Then 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Then root 4 is 2. Then 2 by 2 we get 1. Now minus 1 has a pre-image 1. So next I will consider the element 5. Then here you apply 5 means 3 minus 5 we get minus 2. That is root of minus 2. Is this belongs to real number? No, it is not a real number because inside the root not comes negative value. So, it is not a real number. Therefore, 5 in codomain has no pre-image in domain. Hence, it is not onto function. Similarly, we take 4 means we get a negative number, 3 minus 4, we get root of minus 1, that is also not belongs to real number. Therefore, 4 also not has a pre-image. So, reason, let the element 4 belongs to real number is codomain, in codomain, but there is no pre-image in domain. Therefore, it is not a onto function. Which means we get a conclusion, the given function f of x equal to 3 minus 4x squared is not a bisective function. This is the answer for the second subdivision. Now we move on to the next question. Now see the 8th question. Let a equal to minus 1 comma 1 and set b equal to 0 comma 2 if the function f such that a to b defined by f of x equal to ax plus b is an onto function, and find a and b. In this question, set a element and set b element are given. Then function a to b is defined as f of x equal to ax plus b. First of all, we prove the given function f of x is onto function. Then we have to find the value of a and b. See the solution. First you take down and write the given set a, set b and function from a to b. F of x equal to ax plus b. See, set a equal to minus 1 comma 1. Therefore, n of a is equal to number of set a. How many elements are there? 2 elements. Then n of b also 2 elements, which is equal to cardinal number of set A and cardinal number of set B, that is n of A equal to n of B. Therefore, yes, f of x is an onto function. Next, we have to find the value of A and B. So, let us assume set A and set B by the arrow diagram. Set A element which is given in the question is minus 1, comma 1. Set B element 0, comma 2. Suppose minus 1 is mapping to 0, then plus 1 is mapping to 2, then we get the value of A and B is f of minus 1 equal to 0. Then given function ax plus b, replace x with minus 1 means we get a into minus 1 plus b equal to 0, which is minus a plus b equal to 0. This is equation number 1. We take f of 1 equal to 2. That means the element of 1 has the image 2. Then you replace x with 1 means we get a into 1 plus b equal to 2. That is a plus b equal to 2. This is equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2 we get minus a plus b equal to 0. Then second equation a plus b equal to 2. Then add means minus 1 plus 1 cancel and get 0. Then 2b equal to 2. That is b equal to 2 by 2, which is 1. Therefore, the value of b equal to 1. Now, substitute this value in equation number 1, we get minus a plus b. Instead of b, you apply 1 equal to 0, which is minus a equal to minus 1, minus minus cancel, therefore a equal to 1. Hence, the value of a also 1. Therefore, a equal to 1 and b equal to 1. Suppose in an arrow diagram, it may possible minus 1 has a image 2 and 1 has image 0. Then means the value of a and b. That is f of minus 1 equal to 2. Instead of x you apply minus means we get minus a plus b equal to 2. Then f of 1 equal to 0. Then a plus b equal to 0. Now you solving this 2 equation, we get 2b equal to 2, therefore b equal to 1. Apply this 1 in equation number 1 means we get minus a plus 1 equal to 2, therefore minus a equal to 2 minus 1, therefore a equal to minus 1. Hence, the value of a equal to 1 or minus 1 and b equal to 1. This is the answer for this question. Now, we see the homework sum which is gave in the previous classes. All of you take that page and correct it. Fourth sum in exercise 1.4, fourth sum. Show that the function f such that n to n defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 1 but not onto. In this question, function from natural to natural is defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1 is given. We have to prove this is 1 1 but not onto. See the solution. Take down and write the given function. It is in linear function. So you apply the second concept of 1 function. Let us assume f of x equal to f of y. We can prove which is implies x equal to y. F of x is given in the question, that is 2x minus 1 equal to 2y minus 1. Then minus 1 is cancelled, then 2 also cancel. We get x equal to y. So then means f of x equal to f of y is implies x equal to y. Then means the given function is 1 function. For better understanding, I explain this by an arrow diagram. So a distinct element have a distinct image. Therefore, it is 1 function. So reason, distinct element x belongs to natural in domain. There exist different y belongs to natural in codomain. Hence, f of x equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 function. Then next we have to prove which is not onto function. So f of x equal to 2x minus 1 is the given function. So let y equal to 2x minus 1. From this we have to find the x term, that is x equal to y plus 1 by 2. By an arrow diagram, I will take y 1 means 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 we get 1. Then means 1 has a pre-image 1. Then next I will take 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 we get 3 by 2. 3 by 2 it's not belongs to natural number. Therefore, 2 has no pre-image. Then means it is not onto function, because in an onto function every element in codomain has a pre-image in domain. So it is not a onto function. See the reason, the element 2 belongs to natural number in codomain, but there is no pre-image in domain. Therefore, it is not onto function. Thus, f of x is 1 and not onto function. Hence proved. Then question number 5. Show that the function f such that natural to natural defined by f of m equal to m square plus m plus 3 is 1 function. See the solution. Take down and write the given f of m equal to m square plus m plus 3. By the second definition of 1, we take f of m1 equal to f of m2. We have to prove which is implies m1 equal to m2. Okay, you apply the given function f of m1, then instead of m you apply m1, means we get m1 squared plus m1 plus 3 equal to m2 squared plus m2 plus 3. Here 3 and 3 cancel, because plus 3 go after the equal, it becomes minus 3, then means cancel and get 0. Then m1 plus m1 square plus m1, then m2 square plus m2. You bring this term before equal, then we get m1 squared minus m2 squared plus m1 minus m2 equal to 0. So in this, in the first term m1 squared minus m2 squared is in the form of a squared minus b squared. Therefore, m1 plus m2 into m1 minus m2 plus m1 plus m1 minus m2 equal to 0. See in this, which one is common? m1 minus m2, and here also m1 minus m2. So you take common, means we get m1 plus m2, and this term we take out a common, therefore here you write 1. So now we get two factors. See, in this two factors, m1 minus m2 equal to 0 means we get m1 equal to m2. But in this factor, m1 plus m2 plus 1 equal to 0, it is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because m1 and m2, you apply any natural number, because in the question function is given natural to natural. So m1 plus m2, you apply any natural number, then we add with 1 means we not get 0, we get some natural number, but here comes 0. So it is not possible. Then you take this alone, that is m1 equal to m2. Then means it is 1 function. See, f of m1 equal to f of m2, which is implies m1 equal to m2. Therefore, it is 1 function. So, the function f of x is 1 function, hence proved. Then question number 6. Let a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and b equal to natural number. Let f such that a to b defined by f of x equal to x cube. Then find the first subdivision, find the range. Then first subdivision, find the range of f. See, in this question, set A is given, set B also given, it is belongs to natural number. Then function from A to B, and it is defined as f of x equal to x cube. So we have to find, in the first subdivision, we have to find the range of f. What is range? Yes, in an ordered pair, second element is called a range. Then means, first of all, we have to find the ordered pair of given function. Take down and write the given question. Set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B equal to natural number. Then f of x equal to x cube. So every x belongs to set A. Therefore, first element you take f of 1 cube equal to 1. Then the ordered pair 1, 1. Second element f of 2 equal to 2 cube equal to 8. Then the ordered pair 2, 8. Similarly, f of 3 ordered pair is 3, 27. F of 4 ordered pair is 4, 64. Then take down and write the ordered pair. Then we get a function ordered pair, that is f equal to, that is f equal to 1, 1, 2, 8, 3, 27, 4, 64. But in the question they ask range of f. The range of f equal to, so second element alone take down and write, that is 1, 8, 27 and 64. Then second subdivision, identify the type of function. So we have to find the type of function. So first you take down and write the given element, a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, b equal to n, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Ordered pair f equal to 1, 1, 2, 8, 3, 27, 4, 64, which is found in the previous subdivision. See, in this ordered pair, every element of set A, first element belongs to set A, that is x coordinate. So every element in set A have a different image in set B. Therefore, it is 1 function. It is a onto function? No, because in an onto function, every element in set B have a pre-image in set A, but in set A we have only 4 elements. Therefore, every element not have a pre-image, so it is not a onto function. So now in reason you write distinct element A in domain have different element B belongs to N in codomain. Therefore, it is 1 function. Okay students, today homework exercise 1.4, 9th sum and 10th sum. Already I gave. Those who finished, you do it in rough note. Those who not finished, do it in your class note. Thank you.